Mike Zenko in Foreign Policy just published, I believe in the last 48 hours, I may be wrong on that, is adamant there is no U.S. presidential policy on Asia. President Obama wanted to pivot. What do you perceive President Trump wants to do with the dynamics of the Pacific Rim?
In the immortal words of Zhou Enlai, it's too early to tell.
Fair.
From the point of view of, there have been various attempts at policy. A number of people have sought to determine whether the pivot is continuing or not. There doesn't seem to be a consistent line in terms of whether the pivot from the Middle East to Asia, as you highlighted, under the Obama administration is continuing. From an investor's point of view, the investor looks at huge quantitative easing in the UK and the US. It looks at relatively weak growth, and it sees better prospects in the emerging markets.
I mean, it must be fun switching from a bank house like Standard Chartered over to the cacophony and madness of Ian Bremmer. What do you actually do for Ian Bremmer? Is he like trading? Is Ian trading Singapore dollar off what you think?
We certainly don't trade.
Do you guys yell at each other?
No, it's a very educational environment. But we certainly don't yell at each other. But from the point of view of marrying politics and markets, it's a natural setting for us, because what you've seen over the last 2 years is two fundamental disciplines that had diverged somewhat, coming back together. At the start of this year, our head of US research, John Lieber, made a crucial call, which was the Trump administration is basically going to pass nothing, certainly not going to pass tax reform. Right. That was the call in terms of Treasury yields not going up, and it was the call in terms of emerging markets from our point of view on the market side.